Assalamu alaikum. If a husband is lying to his wife to see his second wife as the first wife does not know the matter, what would you advise, please? Any man who goes and gets married to a second wife when he has a first wife is really not ready to go into polygamy. Any man who's hiding the second wife from the first wife shouldn't actually be going forward to get married. Because marrying more than one wife requires a person who is strong, a man who is honest, direct, a man who is real about it, who's not hiding anything. If you're hiding something, it means you're scared. And if you're scared, it means that you're not up to the responsibility that is required from you. So maybe you're not the right person to get married. Okay? You're not the right person to get married. And I wouldn't encourage, personally, for anyone to go for polygamy at this current time that we're living in. To look after your first family and your first wife and your children, okay, is more important, brothers and sisters, than to think about bringing someone else on board. You have a child, you have a wife, you have children, you try to take care of that before you try to bring someone else on board who will be a cause of maybe losing your children and what you currently have. And it's like a person who sees gold and is carrying gold. So he sees a gold over there, he drops what he has in order to go get those gold. When he goes there, he could be stopped from having those gold, so when he comes back he has no gold anymore. So you may not get that or lose what you currently have.